Hey, hey, it's Berta Jay, and we're back in my kitchen with me today to bring you another installment in Viewers' Voices. I have 3. The first one comes to us from Brenda Lawrence. She always signs everything that she does for me as Hugs Brenda. She said, I've been looking for a good oatmeal energy bite bar recipe, Berta, and this one looks like it is the one for me. They look so yummy, and they are. Can these be made into bars too, do you think? I definitely will be making these. Well, I took Brenda's advice, and I took that recipe, and I pressed the mixture that I made with my energy bites into a 9-inch square pan. And then after I pressed it in with the back of the spoon, I stuck it in the freezer for a little while, maybe about an hour and a half. And this is what happened. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna use my tovolo because this pan is like coated with something and I didn't want to scratch it. I'll cut half the pan, not do the whole thing, just so you can see that it does work. I'm gonna take it so you can see what it looks like. So Brenda, darling, my energy bites do work as a bar, as you can see, okay? The second one comes to us from a young man named Glenn M. This is what he says. I never use a toaster because I don't eat any bread all that often. But I like to use the steamer insert in a pot. I bring a small amount of water to the boil, and then I steam the slice of Ezekiel bread for 15 to 25 seconds. Ezekiel bread right here, and it is a little hard. I'm gonna kind of stick them up on the side like that, and then I'm gonna put it over on the stove for 30 seconds. Okay, so let's see what it's gonna look like. Got a lot of steam coming out. Yeah, this is good. Hot. He uses Kerry Gold butter. However, because I don't use butter, I'm going to use some of my other butter that I just made. I'll give you the link below. And it's made with cauliflower, and I'm just going to put some on here. I'm going to taste it. That's good. It's warm. The lovely taste of the butter is right there, and it's all warm and delicious. So that's number 2. Forgot to taste the energy bites, but here I go. These are good. The last one, remember this sign? This is from Benny Carbstrong. He said, oh, darling Berta, you do crack me up. For once, let me help you a little so that you won't get arthritis with all that pointing. It's pronounced Worcestershire. It's that simple. Worcestershire. Worcestershire sauce. You have to take a break, I think, between here and there, because I can say Worcestershire, but I can't run right into sauce. So you say Worcestershire sauce. Thank you, Benny. So I want to say thank you to Brenda, Hugs Lawrence, to Glenn M, and from Benny Carbstrong. And so until next time, before you see me again, you have to give me a thumbs up, click on the bell so that every time we upload a new video, you will get the notification, and you'll have to also subscribe. Go to the Amazon store. We'll put it down below. Go to the Moku website so that you can purchase with 15% off using a special code, which we'll also put below. You can purchase jerky, which is made from mushrooms. Delicious. So until next time, guys, bye for now.